What is this? Do you know that there's a line from a multi-billionaire company? You aren't Microsoft Paint, you're a program that is demanding to pay $20 per month. Why does the bucket tool work in Blender and Clip and even in that one pixel art program? What the hell is wrong with you? And that is not because I tested your program. There are a lot of videos talking about this issue. To make it work, you need to use the Magic Wand tool and click on the area and then expand the area by using your own keybind. And then you use the bucket tool. Why? Just why? This is so stupid. I would rather suffocate myself in my own ass than drawing in Photoshop. Can you imagine how much time I spent in drawing slime hentai? Wait, but what does actually tolerance do? What the fuck? Why? But why aren't there people talking about this? Why there are videos just about the shortcuts but no one talks about the tolerance? No one talks that you can just set the tolerance higher to make it work? I spent too much time on drawing slime hentai.